The Department of Justice is threatening to sue the state of Texas for its installation of a floating border barrier in the Rio Grande. It's calling the state's border methods illegal. Fox 4's Stephen Dial spoke with a constitutional law attorney about that.
Democrats have pressured the Biden administration to take legal action against Texas after Governor Abbott installed a floating border barrier in Eagle Pass. The response from Governor Abbott on Twitter: "We will see you in court, Mr. President." Weeks after Texas installed a floating border barrier in the Rio Grande River, the Department of Justice is threatening to sue the state. The floating barrier is about 3 football fields long.
I strongly suspect the leadership of the national immigration organizations believe that they need to intervene in this situation and get this stopped to restore federal control over these areas. So I expect a lawsuit to come in the relatively near future if the state government doesn't change.
Operation Lone Star has been in the spotlight this week after a trooper's report described what he called inhumane orders. The trooper alleges law enforcement were told to push migrants back into the river and refuse giving them water. Those claims have been refuted by Governor Abbott and the Department of Public Safety. Friday, DPS released body camera video from early July of law enforcement assisting a pregnant migrant who illegally crossed. Governor Abbott reacted to the DOJ news on Twitter Friday saying, quote, "Texas has the sovereign authority to defend our border under the U.S. Constitution and Texas Constitution." Abbott went on to say, quote, "We will continue to deploy every strategy to protect Texans and Americans and the migrants risking their lives. We will see you in court, Mr. President." We talked to constitutional law attorney David Cole about the legal implications.
I think the federal government has a strong case. Immigration is traditionally an area of federal concern. The Constitution tells Congress to come up with a national immigration policy, and the Supreme Court has ruled in favor of the federal government when this kind of dispute has come up in the past.
The letter from the DOJ sets a July 24th deadline for Governor Abbott to respond. Stephen Dial, Fox 4 News.